All right, so this is going to be a quick and easy way to replace the rear lights on the Fiat 500L. This is a 2017 model. Very, very, very easy. All right, so what we got to do, I'm just going to take these off. Okay, 2 screws, and then these things are all hooked up. It's got some hooks in there, little plastic anchors. You're just gonna pry this off. You can see it's got the little things there. Boom, boom. On the bottom it has some also. So you just gotta take them out, pull them out. And then, well, this, you can pull it all the way out if you want. I'm just gonna leave it there. Last thing, you got 2 screws here. So you take one out. Take the other one out. They're all the same size, so it doesn't matter if you mix them up or not. They're all the same size there. Next thing, well, just pry this off. It's got a little thing there. Just pull it off. Boom. And then twist it off. Take it out. Oh, there you go. And actually, yeah, you can just take that thing out. And these are getting replaced actually by 916 Sylvania. So that, put it back on, and that thing go. So we're just gonna put this back on. We replaced one, so we're just gonna replace both of them at the same time. This thing will only go in one way, so whichever way it goes, there it is. Boom. It's in. And now we just gotta fit the puzzles back in. And so we see this here and we see this here. We're just gonna put this in, line them up. Boom. Put that back. And now we're just gonna screw these things back on. You don't want to go too hard because everything else in there is plastic, so pretty soft, not too rough. Put the other one in. All right, that's in. Now, well, what you can also do is clean it up while you're in there. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Mostly take a little bit of the dirt off, but and we're just gonna snap everything back into place, and we are in almost business. Just got to put these last 2 screws on. One more. And we're done. Excellent. And that's it. 1 replaced, 2 replaced. Less than 5 minutes on each one. That's for a Fiat 500L. This is a 2017 model.